The Early Learning Community, or the ELC, is located at the bottom floor of Bergland Hall. You can always pretty much hear kids playing outside, so you know exactly where it is, just follow your ears. And it's directly related to the MAT program because of how integrated the school is with the MAT program. A lot of the literacy classes or mathematics classes, you'll be having direct involvement with the students in the ELC. Working at the ELC has been a great opportunity for me as a pre-service teacher, in that my professor is also the principal at the school, and just the feedback and the observation that he's been able to give me has been incredible. It also is a great place to immediately practice the learned techniques from my classes for literacy or mathematics, to be able to go down and have a hands-on experience. It kind of starts out with me as a pre-service teacher coming in and observing. Once the second term starts, it's more we work together to decide what the lesson plans are going to look like, what the daily schedule is going to look like. The way we kind of did it was I kind of ease in hourly, week by week, and then for a while, in kind of the middle of my placement time, I am kind of taking care of the day as a whole, and then kind of easing back out of it towards the end of my placement. In terms of the MAT program being involved with the ELC, it's this place to have immediate practice of what you're learning in the classroom.